Welcome back. Now inside of Gutenberg Editor, we can also add in document-based sharing sites. And to do that, we're going to go to the Add Block area. And we're first going to type in the sharing site called Scrbd. And so if we start by typing in SCR, you'll see Scrbd. You'll click that box, and then you'll see a familiar interface. What we'll need is the Scrbd URL from the document that we want to embed. In most cases, we'll be looking at a PDF. We'll click inside of that PDF. We'll then click the Share button. We'll then click the Copy link. That link will then be part of our clipboard, and all we'll need to do is to head back to our WordPress installation. We'll then add in our Scrbd URL. We'll then click Embed. Now, it's quite possible that you may get an error message that says that Gutenberg cannot embed that link. Now, you do have a couple of options. You can convert this to a link, and then your visitor can access the document through your hyperlink. Or what you can do is you can also add in an HTML link. And to do that, we're going to need to add another block. And then we're going to type in custom HTML. We're just going to click this button here. And then we're going to go and get the HTML code from Scrbd. In some cases, you may want to get the WordPress code. It's typically going to be easier to use the HTML code. You'll just click inside of that code. You'll copy it and then head back to your WordPress installation. You'll then place your code inside of the dialog box, and then you'll click Preview, and then you should see your document. Once you do, you'll then be able to click Update in order to publish the post. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.